That's how we roll there. Construction of school bag going on. Measurement and cutting going on here. Lunch bag construction going on here. Here she's sewing a folder, and you can see that she's using the regular sewing machine. So you can use this regular sewing machine for so much. That's the back. Yes, and that's the finished folder. That's the construction of another kind of backpack, a bucket backpack. And that's the finished one there. That's the laptop bag, one of our creations too. Turn it right side out. Yeah, that's the finished laptop bag. Turn the other side, turn the back. See? So those are backpacks, finished ones.
With determination, sir.
It wasn't easy when you started?
Yes.
So how?
Fixing the piping was a problem for me.
Okay. So how were you able to overcome it?
Well, I determined to do it. That was why I was able to overcome.
So how are you now enjoying the business?
It's great.
You're getting
customers. The business, I'm training people too.
And you're getting customers?
Yeah.
How long did it take you to learn?
Well, I stay longer with my madam.
Okay, but what do you advise new people coming up today about this bag making business? What's your advice for them?
The bag making is not as common as fashion design, and there's no way people will not need bag, souvenir, school bag, and all that. So it's a very big business.
Okay, your name please?
And it's a state.
And what's your business name now?
GP Creating Venture.
Thank you, madam.
Training is okay.
How did you find the training, and how do you find it, and how are you enjoying the business?
It's challenging, but with determination.
With determination, one can overcome.
Yes.
Okay, you've been able to overcome all the hurdles in the business, all the challenges?
Yes.
And you intend to set up your business very soon?
Yes.
Okay, what's your name and what's your business name?
I'm Tolu.
Tolu Oladiran. And what's your business name? Can you please look at the camera? Can we see your face? Good. So what's your business name?
I'm still working on my business name.
Okay, thank you. Mrs. Ashaye too has been in the business for a while, so we want to hear from her. What do you think about this business? How did you find it learning? And what's your experience so far?
Although when I started, it wasn't easy because it wasn't easy at all. But now at least I'm very happy with what I'm doing.
And do you think it's a very easy business to go into? Especially for somebody who has not sewn before, who has not used a machine before?
It's a very easy business and it's good.
Was it easy for you learning?
I've said it earlier. When I started, it wasn't easy. But now, I can find it very easy and interesting.
Okay, thank you. Mrs. Phillips is here. She too, she's an upcoming bag making business person. Mrs. Phillips, can you please tell us how you find this business and what your experience has been?
That is a very good business, but when I'm learning, when I started learning, it wasn't easy. But now, thank God, I'm making good progress.
Okay, I can see you are constructing a traveling bag.
In the name of Jesus.
Amen. We have Mrs. Nweke here. She's new to this business. She just started learning this business very recently. And we can see her constructing a lunch bag here. So we want her to share her experience very briefly with us. Can you tell us your experience, Mrs. Nweke?
It was not easy.
Why are you all saying it wasn't easy?
It was not easy, but it's like a joke the first time. But now I think I'm enjoying it.
Okay.
Yes, I'm new here, but I've experienced some things which I'm interested in, and I like the work.
Okay.
And I pray God should give me the power to push through and move forward like others.
Okay, we will. Thank you. So that is it. Funke Oyende of First S2B Academy Limited, showing you how we go about our bag making training here in the office in Lagos, Lagos. Thank you and bye for now.